in my closet. Welcome. My name is Kartia Velino. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. Hit that red button so that you don't miss any of my videos. If you will be interested in knowing what I want to talk about today, stay glued here and hit that red button so that we can rock and roll. I'm coming out, guys. Welcome to my closet. I'm not doing a closet tour today because I'm waiting for my camera, guys. Sometimes when I want to shoot something so that I can get into all the angles, I get someone to help me. So before I do my full closet tour, which is coming out very soon, which I'll be doing very soon, I want to take you guys on how to take care of your leather stuff so that they stay forever and ever. I have a handbag that I have this bag for 28 years, and I have a shoe which I have for 30 years, and they still look like brand new. Let me share with you the bag that I'm talking about here, and I will tell you why the bag looks the same as I just purchased the bag and the shoe. Maybe I'll start with the shoe first. Okay, I have this shoe. Can you see this? This is my first ever Gucci sandals. Can you see that? It says Gucci sandal. It's peep toe, yes. So long time ago, about 26 years old, I got this shoe. This is one of my first designers. It's Gucci shoe. I got it from Atlanta. I don't know if they still have those Gucci outlets. This is the first shoe designer I ever heard, and it still looks the same from the first day that I purchased this shoe. Look at this. Look at the heel. It's like block heel. It's glass, and the sole looks like you've never worn this for once in your life. Good things. When you spend money in buying good things, they shall last for you. But you have to have that money to spend on good stuff, right? So most of the time, let me reserve my comment for the last when I share my bag. So this is my bag, my shoe for almost 30 years. It's a Gucci sandal, peep toe, still looking the same. I will share with you what I used to clean it. So I'll put it over here. And up here is my Louis Vuitton. And this Louis Vuitton here, I have this bag for approximately 27 years. Did you see? Look at the handle. It has all changed. It's very dark. It's turning into vintage. This is vintage now that you will call this bag. This bag has been there before my first child was born, and probably before you were born. So it's turning into, look at that, the inside still looks like awesome. Almost, yeah. When I store my bags, I still leave them with the paper so that it gives them some volume. So, and when it comes to taking care of them, they don't just look like this overnight. You need to take care of what you have. Let me share with you guys what I used to clean. I have a lot here, just that those two are the oldest things that I have in my closet, and they still look the same. This is what I used to clean them. This is leather care. I got this one from Coach. You can get it from anywhere. I think Aldo sells them as well. All you need to do when you finish using your high when you finish using your high profile bags, shoes, belts, make sure you take care of them, because they are not 1 naira. They are not $1. It costs you so much to get them, so you must take care of them. So after using them, what I do most of the time, and I learned not to store my bags in dust bag. I used to leave them in dust bag, but listen, this is what happens when I leave my stuff in dust bag. I forget about them. I don't remember that I have them. I go out and I duplicate what I already have. So take a little bit of the leather cleaning. And clean around your bag. Make sure you clean. It protects them. This is like a polish for the bag and the belt. I use them on my leather bags, and if your bags are not really leather, it's not going to work. It's going to rip them apart. Do not use them on synthetics. Okay, so wipe them off, polish them, and store them and put them back. It keeps looking like brand new ones. Same thing goes to the shoes. And let me tell you something. I'll be very honest with you guys. You see these shoes, for the past 28 years, maybe I have worn this shoe about 5 times, to tell you the truth. 5 times. And also, people will tell you, I will tell you that it's better for you to spend money on buying designers if you really want to buy designers, instead of buying the duplicates, which are known as non-authentic, because they will not last. You end up using money over and over and over. Let me tell you, in 28 years, if I have been repeating this shoe, I must have spent maybe 10 times the amount of money that I spent in buying this shoe. This shoe, because I bought it from the outlet in Atlanta, then I paid $350 for this shoe, and it's worth it. I think that it is worth it. Yes. So those are the 2 of the oldest things that I have in my closet that I really spend so much money. When I say oldest things, that's over 20 years that I have them, and they still look the same. I have another one here. This one here, it's about maybe a little over 10 years. This is Jimmy Choo. Jimmy Choo. Yes, Jimmy Choo. It has a bag that goes with that. It is suede. It's also peep toes. And my friends and my families, they know me that I really know how to take care of my stuff. Even the things that I have from when I was a teenager, if I still have the opportunity, if I have the opportunity to keep them, I will bring them out and share them with you. This is my Jimmy Choo. It's over 10 years and it still looks almost the same. And the price for this Jimmy Choo with the bag, where did I keep the bag? Where did I keep the bag? Let me show you guys. I don't know if you remember when this bag was out. I still keep it because it's not $1. It's not 1 naira. Let me share the bag with you. This is the purse. Actually, my husband bought this. You can tell a whole lot of people. There were a lot of non-authentic of these purses flying away everywhere. You can see it says Jimmy Choo. Jimmy Choo. So those 2 are the older things, some of the older things. These things are some of the older things I have in my closet. I think this is about 15 years right now. 15 years today. And I still rock them. This one, I can tell you, maybe I wore it 3 or 4 times. And make sure when you're spending money, spend money because you love them. Don't spend money on them just because it is a brand. Do not spend that money just because it's a brand name. Make sure you love them and you're gonna wear them. And I love this, and I love that. Yes, this bag alone weighs over 3 pounds, so it's really heavy because of all this or whatever just because of the jewels in them, so it makes them heavy. But I love them. I still wear them. Again, I can tell you, I have not worn this for so long. Like, I have not worn it for up to 10 times in the last 10 years. So I still keep them. The people in this part of the world, they call it vintage, and as time goes on, I can send it to pawn shop and collect some money. Yes, or maybe one day when I become as big as Madonna, I can sell my shoes for $1 million. Yes, the price for this one and this one, it was purchased in London, England. I think purchase was about £2,000 for these two. So I still rock them on. So guys, this is the only things that I want to share with you at this time, how to take care of your leather bags and shoes. But this is not leather, this is suede. I also have some suede polish that goes with that. The next time I'll be taking you guys on a tour to show you guys my entire closet on how I organize them and put them together. Spring is around the corner, so a lot of flashy stuff and looking good. We're throwing away the boots very soon. The snow will be over very soon. I am loving it, loving that. Very soon is going to be summer. So guys, let me leave you guys here. Subscribe and share the video. I will see you guys in my next video for sure. Bye.